Hi guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Today we will see most important questions based on coronavirus. Watch this video till end. I have given most important information at the last. In which place coronavirus first case found? The answer is Hubei. Hubei is a province, that means a state like in our country. For example, UP is a state and Lucknow is a capital city. That way, Hubei is a state and Wuhan is a capital city. Which state became the coronavirus free state in India? The answer is Goa. 7 cases were found in the state and all the cases were recovered and no more new cases found. The second state to become the coronavirus free is Manipur. What type of virus is COVID-19? The answer is RNA virus. This virus can go through nose, eyes, mouth, and if it enters the body, it causes many problems. But when it does not find any body to live, it will die. Under which act Epidemic Diseases Act came into existence? The answer is Epidemic Diseases Act 1897. This act says if anybody travels, they can be quarantined for 14 days and they can be kept in isolation in hotels and hospitals or any other place in which government feels. And government can seal down the place and can say not to come out of the home. These all the things are there in this act, and it's an epidemic act, not a pandemic act. Notice such things and mark the correct answer in the examination. Which is or the following diseases are related to coronavirus? The answer is both 1 and 2, that is SARS and MERS. The coronavirus may cause illness from common cold to more other serious diseases like MERS and SARS. MERS Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and SARS means Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. On which day Indian Prime Minister announced Janata Curfew for the first time in the country? Answer is March 22. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi called a Janata Curfew for one day. What are the symptoms of the coronavirus? The answer is all of the above. That is cough, fever, shortness of the breath. If a person gets a coronavirus, he will feel shortness of the breath and he will get a fever and a dry cough. When did WHO declare COVID-19 as a pandemic? Answer is 11th March 2020. WHO is a World Health Organization. Its headquarters is in Geneva. In the examination, they may also ask this question as which organization declares COVID-19 as a pandemic? The answer is WHO. Epidemic means a particular area or a country, but pandemics means to the whole world it spreads. In which year SARS coronavirus spread in China? Answer is 2002. SARS full form is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. They may ask this full form in the examination. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from coronavirus? The answer is cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. The coronavirus outbreak was declared as a public health emergency of international concern by WHO on 30th January 2020. Virology is a study of virus. Now I will give you most important thing to do to protect yourself, your family, friends. First thing is wash your hands with soap or sanitizer for 20 seconds, then wash it. By doing this, if virus is in your hand, it gets killed. Wear a mask. Question is why to wear? Because you never know which person got affected by the virus. If you were talking to that person, if he sneezes, that droplets can directly go into your eyes, nose or mouth. By that, you will directly affected. Thus, wear a mask. It will protect you from that person. Be safe, friends. Last is maintain a social distancing to avoid getting affected. India will come over this condition and we all need your support to get fight against the coronavirus. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like.